Section 8.2, medial arch pad. They are there. So we've turned them the medial arch pad. Most of you may know them as a valgus pad, or whatever you want to call them. Essentially, it's the pad on the medial side of the device that is there to produce some kind of padding or quasi-support for the medial arch that you want. Standardized lengths, when we look at these across the board, they can come in a standardized size. So that's the packets that come in a industrial sense. Different sizes. Size 3, there's 2. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or small, medium and large. And they essentially are delineated by what you think that you want. There should be, again, some information on our website to the exact dimensions of a size 1 as opposed to a size 5. Okay, so that's medial arch pad.